Hey, 80s Jason, there's no bounce in your starter. The compression's busted. Give the bottom a blow. Great form. How about you try taking your mask off next time? Blowing it won't actually do anything, you squid. It's a push to start. Okay, pumped up brakes, poo hands. Husqvarnas aren't a push to start. How many times you paddle the pink canoe with those mud claws? I bet 8 today minimum. It's a Husqvarna. Throw rocks at it. That's a rig I used to use when I was a baby. See? Bring it over here, Lumberjill. I'll check it out for you. Your carbie's adjusted wrong and you left the starter button off. This is so sad. Your choke's pushed in, you hold it like a lightsaber. You're like the Hannah Montana of serial killers.
What's wrong with how I'm holding it? I'm trying, okay? You know how hard it is to be a cannibal and a mutilator? I don't drive. I had to knock you out and then walk you here. I don't even have a credit card. You know how hard it is to be spooky and buy scary things like chainsaws and chains and rope when you don't even have a bank account?
Okay, kitten, come here. Let me give you a hug. Your chain's loose and it's duller than a ghost pepper cream puff. Let me sharpen it for you.
And it hurts, making me wait for you this way. I can't go on. So come on and take me now. Take my love. Make come true the feelings I...
All right, she's good to chomp. Let's get this over with. I gotta take a dump.